changing the fans that don't have any color to fans that have some color. And we are using the PWM UpHere fans, 120mm. Comes with your screws, some cable ties, and the fans. I haven't had any issues using these fans yet, so that's why I'm going to, again, use them. And we are going to try to put them in this case here. So first up, take the case apart. We have this third fan. We're going to see if we can fit in the bottom of the case without the liquid cooler hoses contacting it. Let's put the lid back on. Well, there we have it, folks. We got it stuffed in there pretty good. Well, there we are. 3 new fans. Thank you for watching, Shakers and Conglomerate, and we'll see you next time on whatever we may be doing. Have a great day, folks.